Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the exact app version and permissions so you know what behaviors to expect. Once done, back up your current settings. Export the config or copy key files to a safe folder to avoid losing customizations. Then enable developer or debug mode in Settings Advanced so you can see logs and hidden options. This gives you the tools to proceed. Make sure to note any error codes shown because they guide the next targeted steps. You now diagnose the Enhancement tab by reading the logs and filtering for the word enhancement or the specific error codes you noted. Once you identify a repeating failure, clear the Enhancement module cache and restart the app to remove stale state. Then reapply the default enhancement profile to restore baseline behavior and re-enable custom rules one at a time. This isolates the problematic rule. If a rule breaks the tab, you can fix syntax or remove that rule to restore stability. Finish by confirming the Enhancement tab displays correct values and then run 2 or 3 typical workflows to validate behavior. If problems persist, reinstall the Enhancement plugin or roll back to the previously working version. This often removes corrupted updates. Make sure file permissions and path access are correct, repair file ownership, or ACLs if the app cannot read supporting files. If you still see errors, gather the cleaned logs and the failing rule name.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.